Hello, thank you for watching this Harmony aluminum deck railing assembly video. Prior to starting installation of any aluminum railing project, ensure you have the proper tools and safety protection. We recommend the following tools: miter saw with a sharp non-ferrous high tooth count saw blade, cordless drill with a 6-inch No. 2 square dry bit, 2 4-inch to 12-inch ratcheting clamps, tape measure, level, pencil, and safety glasses. Each structural post kit includes an aluminum post tube, base plate, 4 screws to attach the base plate to the aluminum tube, post cap, and a 2-piece base plate cover. Each structural post kit includes an aluminum post tube with a base plate, post cap, and a 2-piece base plate cover. Deck panel kits include the following items: top rail snap cover, pre-assembled rail panel, bottom rail snap cover, support leg, and all necessary hardware to attach the aluminum railing panel to 2 posts are included in the aluminum railing panel kits. To get started with the Harmony railing installation, attach the base plate to the 3-inch by 3-inch aluminum tube. Using a cordless drill, run the screws into the screw chases of the aluminum tube. Be careful not to over-torque the screws. A helpful tool to purchase is our Rail Clip Jig Touch-Up Paint Kit. With the Rail Clip Jig Kit, end, center, and corner posts are accurately assembled without the use of a tape measure. Simply place the jig on the base plate with the arrow down. Place one of the 4 aluminum clips, which came with the deck panel kit, into the square hole of the jig. Holding clip firmly with a cordless drill and the No. 2 square driver bit, secure the clip with 2 self-tapping screws. With clips secured to post, remove plastic jig and repeat this step to build all necessary end, center, and corner posts. When all posts are prepared, secure post to deck or concrete surface. For residential wood deck aluminum railing installations, use the following fasteners: always have proper blocking installed under each screw location. For residential concrete applications, use the following anchors: a corrosive-resistant 5/16" by 3-inch concrete anchor. For commercial concrete applications, please consult with a local professional engineer or contact one of our experts at 844-724-5001. After all posts are secured and plumbed, measure between posts at top and bottom locations. Measure and cut the aluminum railing panel so that you have even spacing between the post and the end of each picket. Cut the aluminum panel 1/16 inch short of the post distance. This will minimize scratches when installing the panel between the posts. Set the bottom channel of the aluminum railing panel over the lower clip. Once panel is firmly seated onto the lower clip, place a rail clip into the upper channel. Very important that clips are bottomed out inside the aluminum railing channel. Once upper clip is installed into the channel, with the supplied self-tapping screws, secure the clips to the post and then secure the channel to the clips. Return to the lower channel and secure the channel to the clips. Once aluminum railing panels are secured to all posts, it's time to measure and cut the top and bottom snap caps. Measure between each post, both top and bottom locations. Cut the top and bottom snaps 1/16 inch short of the type measurements. It is very important to cut the top and bottom snap covers with a sharp, high tooth count non-ferrous saw blade. This will give a clean, professional look and not harm the powder coat finish. After top and bottom snaps are cut to size, use the touch-up paint to coat the raw cut ends. Once paint has dried, place snap covers over the appropriate aluminum railing channels and press in place. The snap cover should snap firmly onto the aluminum railing channels. Do not use any hammer. The top rails will snap by applying pressure from one end to the other. If you are having issues snapping on the covers, check the clips to ensure that they are bottomed out into the aluminum railing channels. When snap channels are secure, find the support leg which came with each panel kit. With the colored screw in hand, center the support leg under each bottom snap and firmly secure with a self-tapping screw. Next, install the two-piece base plate cover around the structural aluminum post base plate. And finally, install the post cap. Additional hardware which may be necessary for the deck railing installation. Panel attachment kit. This is used when the deck panel is cut and used as two pieces. Stair panel attachment kit. This is used when the stair panel is cut and used as two pieces. 22.5 degree kit. This is used when the deck has a 45-degree angle on the deck surface. The post is placed on the deck surface so that the post bisects the 45-degree angle and each rail section attaches to each side of the post at 22.5 degrees. The 45-degree wall attach kit is used when the railing comes off the building at 45-degree angle. This kit should not be used on the Williams 3-inch structural aluminum post. Straight wall mount attachments are used when there is lap siding or rough exterior surface such as brick or concrete. As mentioned earlier, the rail clip jig touch-up paint kit should be purchased with every order. This will ensure fast and accurate installation. The touch-up paint will be available for those fresh cut raw edges and in the event the installer scratches the product during installation. Thank you for watching this video. Please view our installation instructions on our website at harmonyrailing.com. For professional advice, contact one of our experts at 844-724-5001.